Hi all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, let's see how to solve question number 4 of exercise 5.1 chapter number 5 arithmetic progression class 10. Okay. So the question here is, which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, then find what is the common difference and also write 3 more terms. Okay, very easy question. So basically they have given us a list of numbers. Now we'll have to first find if they form under the category of AP. Okay. If yes, then we'll have to find 3 more terms for them. That's it. Okay, so before we start, if you want to learn or if you want to revise the concept or if you want to know the terms which is used in this chapter, if you want to learn the first 3 questions also, please refer my previous video on the same. Okay, now let's get started with question number 4. First question. So first question is 2, 4, 8, 16 and so on. Okay, now what is that? So to qualify for an AP, the common difference which is denoted by D should be the same throughout the series. Now, how do I find the common difference? Now, let's say this is A1, A2, A3, A4. So this is 2, 4, 8, and 16. So D is always like A2 minus A1, or D can be found like A3 minus A2. Okay, that is A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2. So A2 minus A1 will be 4 minus 2 or 8 minus 4. The D value should be the same. Okay, if it is not same, then is not an AP. Okay, so 4 minus 2 will be 2, then 8 minus 4 will be 4. No, so if you notice here, A3 minus A2 is not equal to A2 minus A1, which means the D value is not same. So hence, this list of numbers does not form under the category of AP. So we should say 2, 4, 8, 16 does not form an AP. Okay, next question. Okay, for the next question is 2, 5 by 2, 3, and 7 over 2. Okay, for this one, the first term is actually 2. Let's find what is the common difference. So A1, A2, A3, and A4. This is 2, 5 over 2, then 3, then 7 over 2. So D value should be same if we form under the category of AP. So 5 over 2 minus 2, which is equal to, take an LCM. I'll just write it more neatly here. So this is basically 5 over 2. So 5 by 2 minus 2. Okay, so this LCM will be 2, then 5 minus 4, which is equal to 1 by 2. Or we can also find A3 minus A2, which is equal to, so the first thing what I've done is A2 minus A1. The next one again I want to check with A3 minus A2. So which is equal to 3 minus A2 will be 5 over 2. So if I subtract, the LCM will be 2. Then multiplying 2, then that will be 6 minus 5, which is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, here if you notice, D value is same. So hence this form will form under the category of AP. So we should say like A3 minus A2 is equal to A2 minus A1. So series 2, 5 over 2, 3, 7 over 2 form an AP. Okay, form an AP. Okay, but then we'll have to find what is the next 3 terms, right? Okay, now we'll find what are the next 3 terms. Basically, we know 4 terms here. So we'll have to find what is there in 5th term, 6th term, and 7th term. Now, how do I find? So the 5th term of the series will be, for this one, we will use what is the general form. Okay, so the general form of an AP will be A. So this is first term, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, and so on. So basically A first term, this is the first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, and so on. Okay. So fifth term meaning, so this is A plus 4D will be the fifth term. So I'll just write the sixth term also. Wait. We'll have to find 3 terms, right? So this is fifth term. Sixth term will be A plus 5D will be sixth term. A plus 6D will be the 7th term. Fine. So we are going to find what is the 5th, 6th, and the 7th term for this series. Now what is this one? This is called as the general form of an AP. Okay. So my fifth term will be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So fifth term will be a plus 4d. Now here, what's the value for a? A is the first term. So a is actually 2. So a is equal to 2. So 2 plus 4 into what is the value of d which we got? The value of d is half. So 4 into 1 over 2, which is equal to 2 plus, if you cancel 2 and 4, that will become 2. Then 2 plus 2 will become 4. So this is the fifth term. Now let's find what is the sixth term. So sixth term is equal to a plus 5d. First term is 2, a is 2 plus 5 times of d value is 1 over 2, which is equal to 2 plus 5 by 2. Take an LCM. So 2, that will be 4 plus 5, which is equal to 9 over 2. So my sixth term is 9 over 2. Now let's see what's the seventh term. So seventh term is equal to a plus 60, which is equal to 2 plus 5 times 1, no 5, sorry, 6 times. So 6 times 1 over 2, which is equal to, so cancel 2 and 6, that will become 3. So 2 plus 3, that is equal to 5. So we are asked to find only the next 3 terms. So the next 3 terms of this one. So therefore, the next 3 terms of the given AP is, what are the next 3 terms? 4, comma, 9 by 2, comma, 5. Okay. And the D value is 1 by 2 and A value, which is the first term, is 2. Fine, clear? Easy? Okay. Moving on to question number 3. So question number 3 is basically all negative terms. Now let's see what's the answer for this one. Okay, so what is the okay, the first term is 1.2. Okay, now let's find what is D now. So A1, A2, A3, A4, and so on. So minus 1.2, minus 3.2, minus 5.2, minus 7.2. So I can find D value like A2 minus A1, like this, A2 minus A1, or A3 minus A2, or A4 minus A3. All the D values, should be equal. So A2 minus A3 will be minus 3.2 minus of minus 1.2. Okay, so we should be very careful because it's decimal also and it's negative also. Fine, is equal to. Let's solve this one. So that will be minus 3.2 minus into minus will become plus. So plus 1.2. So 3.2, which is a negative. So plus 1.2. Now let's subtract. This will become 0. Then 2. So this is greater. So it will be minus 2. A3 minus A2 now. So A3 is minus 5.2. Again minus within brackets. Minus A2 will be minus 3.2. Which is equal to minus 5.2 plus 3.2. So minus 5.2 plus 3.2. Let's subtract 0. Then 3 minus 2 will become 2. Since this one is greater, you'll have to put a minus sign. So that is equal to 2. So if you notice, A3 minus A2 is equal to. So the common difference D is actually equal. So it's equal to A2 minus A1. Hence, this particular series forms an AP. Okay. And the common difference for this one will be minus 2. So we should say, therefore, what is the series here? So series, so it's okay, forms an AP. It forms an AP and the common difference is minus 2. Okay, now we need to find what are the next 3 terms of this AP. Now the next 3 terms, basically they will give you 4 terms. So now we'll have to find what is the 5th term, 6th term, and the 7th term. Okay, now let's say now for this one we are going to use the general form of an AP, which is A plus D, A plus 2D, a plus 3d, a plus 4d, a plus 5d, a plus 6d, so on. So a, this is the first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, sixth term, and seventh term. Okay. So in this question, we have given the first four terms. So we need to find the fifth term. So this is the fifth term, sixth term, and this is the seventh term. So we can use the general form to find the answer of a fifth, sixth, and the seventh term. Now let's see. This is the, so the fifth term is equal to a plus 4d. Here value of a is minus 1.2. So minus 1.2 plus 4 into d value was negative 2, which is equal to minus 1.2. 4 into minus 2 will become minus 8. So minus 1.2 minus 8. Basically, you should now add, but then data in the negative sign. So minus 1.2. Okay, wait, I'll write it here. So minus 1.2 minus 8.0. So this will become 2. 8 plus 1 plus 8 will become 9. Okay, but then there is a minus 8. So this will become minus 9.2. So the fifth term will be minus 9.2. Now again, moving on to the sixth term now. So what's the sixth term will be a plus 5d. Okay, so a plus 5d, which is equal to minus 1.2 plus 5 times minus 2. So that is equal to minus 1.2. 5 into minus will become minus 10. So if I add minus 1.2 and minus 10. So minus 1.2, then minus 10.0. So this will become 2. Then 1 plus 0 will become 1. Then again 1. Both are minus, so we'll carry the minus sign also. So it will become minus 11.2. So minus 11.2. Okay, now coming back to seventh term. So what is the seventh term? Seventh term is equal to a plus 60. So minus 1.2 plus 6 times of minus 2. So which is nothing but minus 1.2. 6 into negative 2 will become negative 12. So minus 1.2 minus 12, which is equal to minus 12.0. Then I'll have to add this one, minus 1.2. So 0 plus 2 will become 2. Then 2 plus 1 will become 3. Then 1, put the minus sign also. So minus 13.2. Okay. So now we should say the next three terms of so the fifth and sixth and seventh term will be minus 9.2, minus 11.2, comma minus 13.2 respectively. That's all. Fine, clear? Easy? So this is how we should find the fifth, sixth, and the seventh term for this question. Now moving on to the next question. Question number 4. So where is question number 4? Okay, question number 4 seems to be an easy one. So no decimal, no fractions. Let's see. So for question number 4, we should first find if it forms an AP. Yeah, okay, so now let's start. So basically, this is the first term. So first term is minus 10. Let's find D now. So A1, A2, A3, A4, minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, then 2, and so on. So D value will be A2 minus A1. What is A2 here? So A2 is minus 6. So minus 6 minus of minus 10. Wait, I'll just write A2 also. A2 minus A2. Wait. So this will be A2 minus A1, which is equal to minus 6 minus minus 10. Okay. So which is equal to minus 6 minus into minus become plus 10, which is equal to 4. Now let's check for the A3 minus A2. So A3 is minus 2. Then again minus of A2 will be minus 6. So minus 2 plus 6, which is equal to again 4. Okay. So I think D value is same. So the this one fall under the category of AP. Okay. Now we'll have to find the next three terms of this series. So we should say therefore minus 10, the series minus 10, minus 6, minus 2 and 2 forms an AP. Okay, now the reason here we should say is A3 minus A2 is equal to A2 minus A1. Okay, forms an AP, and the common difference is 4. Okay, now we'll find the next three terms of this one. So here A is minus 10. So A, the general form will be A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, then A plus 5D, A plus 60, and so on. So first term, second term, third term, right? First term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, okay, sixth term and seventh term, and so on. Okay, fine. So in this one, they have given us only 4 terms. Okay, now we'll have to find what is the fifth term, sixth term, and the seventh term. So basically, this is fifth term, sixth term, and the seventh term. Okay, so fifth term is equal to A plus 4D. So we know like A is equal to, here A is equal to, what is the value for A here? So A is equal to minus 10. So A is equal to minus 10 plus 4 into the value of D which we've got is 4. So that will be A into 4. So that will be minus 10 plus 4 fours are 16. So answer is equal to 6. So the fifth term will be 6. Now the sixth term is equal to A plus 5D, which is equal to minus 10 plus 4 into value of D. No, sorry, it will be 5 into 4. That will be 5 into 4, which is equal to minus 10 plus 20, which is equal to 10. Okay. Now the seventh term is equal to A plus 60, which is equal to minus 10 plus 6 into 4, which is equal to minus 10 plus 24. That is equal to 14. Okay. So now we should say the next three terms of this AP. Next three terms of this AP is 6, 10, 14. Okay, fine, easy. Now we've got the value for the next three terms. Okay, now moving on to question number 5. What is question number 5? Okay, question number 5, we've got some roots, I guess. Okay, question number 5. So this question. So the question number 5 is we've got roots. 3 plus root 3, 3 plus 2 root 3, 3 plus 3 root 2. 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 plus root 2. Okay, fine. Now let's get started with question number 5 now. Okay, so question number 5. The question number 5 is the first term is 3, then 3 plus root 2. Okay, and then the third term here is 3 plus 2 root 2. Okay, and the fourth term is 3 plus 3 root 2, and so on. Okay, so this is A1, A2, A3, and A4. So we should first find what is D. So D is equal to A2 minus A1. Here A2 will be 3 plus root 2. A1 will be minus 3. Okay. So plus 3 and minus 3 will cancel. The D value will be 2 here. Again, we'll find the D value for A3 minus A2. Now it should be same if it is an AP. So here A3 is 3 plus 2 root 2. Then minus A2 is, there are two terms. So I'm going to put within brackets. So 3 plus root 2, which is equal to 3 plus root 2. I'll just write it here. So it will be 3 plus 2 root 2. Remove the brackets now. Signs will change. So minus 3 minus into plus become minus. So minus root 2. So which is equal to positive 3, negative 3 will get cancelled. 2 root 2 minus root 2. So that will become just root 2. Okay, so if you notice here, the D value is same. So hence this series formed under the category of AP. So we should say D3 minus D2, A3 minus A2 is equal to A2 minus A1. Hence, the series so and so forms under the category of form and AP. Okay, form and AP for this one. And now we'll find what are the next three terms of this AP. Okay, there is an here. Now the next three terms for this one will be, now we've used the general term. So the first term is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, A plus 5D, and A plus 6D, and so on. So basically, as you, this is the first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, sixth term, and seventh term. So this is the fifth term, sixth term, and this is the seventh term. Fine. So to find the fifth term, what we are going to write? So the fifth term is equal to A plus 4D. Here the value of A is actually 3. So 3 plus 4 into value of D is root 2. So the fifth term will be 3 plus 4 root 2. Okay. Now next one. What's the value for the sixth term? So sixth term is equal to A plus 5D, which is equal to 3 plus 5 times of D, which is root 2, which is equal to 3 plus 5 root 2. Okay, now seventh term is equal to, so now seventh term is equal to A plus 6D, which is equal to 3 plus 6 into root 2, which is equal to 3 plus 6 root 2. Okay, so the next three terms of this AP will be 3 plus 4 root 2, 3 plus 5 root 2, and 3 plus 6 root 2. That's all. Okay. Now moving on to next question, question number 6. Now what is question number 6? So question number 6 is decimals. Okay, 0 0.2, 0 0.22, and so on, which goes like this. Okay, so question number 6 is a decimals. Now let's see how, whether it forms AP or not. Okay, so question number 6, the series is 0 0.2. Okay, the first term is 0 0.2, then 0 0.22, then 0 0.222, then 0 followed by 4 twos, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Okay, now let's say this is A1, A2, A3, A4. So I'm going to find D. So D is equal to A2 minus A1. So A2 here is 0 0.22 minus A1 will be 0 0.2. So let's 0 0.22 minus 0 0.20. So if you do 2 minus 0 will become 2. Then 2 minus 2 will become 0 point, then 0. So for the first one, we got the D value as 0 0.02. Okay, now let's find for A3 minus A2. So it is A3 here is 0 0.222 minus A2 will become 0 0.222, which is equal to, so 0 0.123. Okay, so there are three twos, then again minus 0 0.22. So if I subtract, 2 minus 0 will become 2, then 2 minus 2 becomes 0, then again 0 0.0. So this is 0 0.002. Okay, so if you notice here, the D value is actually different. For the first one, we got 0 0.02, and for the second one, we have got 0 0.002. Okay, so it's not equal. So this does not form under the category of AP. So we should say A3 minus A2 is not equal to A2 minus A1. Okay, clear? Here the B value is not same. Hence we say, what is the conclusion we will tell? We will tell like the series 0 0.2, comma 0 0.22, comma 0 0.222, comma 0 0.22222 does not, are not in AP because or because the common difference is not equal. Okay, so this is the answer we should give them, because D value is not same. So this will not form under the category of AP. Fine, clear. So sixth question is done. Next one, question number 7. So question number 7 is, okay, question number 7 seems to be easy. So question number 7 is 0, -4, then -8, then -12. Okay. So question number 7. So question number 7 is 0, then -4, -8, then -12. Okay, fine. Now let's find D. So A1, A2, A3, A4. So now D value will be equal to A2 minus A1. Also, it should be same for A3 minus A2 also. So A2 here will be -4, then minus of -0 only. Then here A3 is -8, -8 minus -4. So -4 minus 0 will become -4. Then -8 plus 4 is also -4. So here D value is same. So D value are equal. So A3 minus A2 is equal to A2 minus A1. Hence this one comes under the category of AP. Okay, now we'll find the next 3 terms. So for the next 3 terms, we will use what is the general term. So general term is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D. Okay, now A plus 5D, A plus 6D, and so on. So basically, first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, sixth term, and seventh term. So 5, 6, 7. Okay. So now we're going to find first what is the fifth term. So the fifth term will be A plus, what is A here? So A is 0 and D will be -4. So fifth term is A plus 4D. So here A will be 0 plus 4 times of D value will be -4. So 0 minus 16, that will be again -16. What is the sixth term? So the sixth term will be A plus 5D. So A plus 5D is equal to 0. Then plus 5 into -4 is equal to 0 minus 20. The answer is -20. And for the seventh term is equal to A plus 16, which is equal to 0 plus 6 into -4, which is equal to 0 minus 24. The answer is -24. Okay, so the next 3 terms of this AP will be -16, -20, and -24. Fine? Clear? Easy? Okay, now next last question. Question number 7. Okay, now this is question number 8. So the question number 8 is, okay, question number 8 is fractions one. So it's -1/2, -1/2, -1/2, -1/2, and so on. Okay, this should be a very easy one. Okay, so question number 8. The series is -1/2, -1/2, -1/2, -1/2, and so on. Now let's say this is A1. A2, A3, A4. Let's find what is D now. So D value is equal to A2 minus A1. So here A2 is -1/2, then minus A1 is also -1/2, but then we should write within brackets since it's a -1. So -1/2, minus it minus it become plus, so +1/2. So that will become 0. Okay, again D value is equal to A3 minus A1 or A3 minus A2. Here A3 -1/2 minus, again A2 is also -1/2. So -1/2, then +1/2, value is 0. Okay, so again one important point, D value can be, it can be a positive one, it can be negative one, or it can be 0 also. So that is also possible. Fine, one important thing. So here if you notice D value is equal, so A3 minus A2 is equal to A2 minus A1. So here, hence this series forms will come under the category of AP. Yes. Okay. And we are going to find what is the next 3 terms of this one. So A value is -1/2, D value is 0. So we'll use general form A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, A plus 5D, A plus 6D, and so on. First term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth, sixth, and seventh. So we are going to find the fifth term, this one. So fifth term is equal to, so it's very easy actually. So if you see this, you will go again minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, but then let's show the calculation also. So A will be A, fifth term will be A plus 4D. So A will be minus 1 over 2 plus 4 into D value is 0. So that will become minus 1 over 2. Anything multiplied by 0 will become 0. So plus 0 will become again minus 1 by 2 only. Okay. Now what is the sixth term? So sixth term will be A plus 5D. So it is equal to minus 1 over 2 plus again 5 into 0. So the answer will be minus 1 over 2. Okay. Then what is the seventh term? So seventh term will be A plus 60. A plus 60. So A is minus 1 over 2 plus 6 into D value is 0. So anything multiplied by 0, again the answer will be minus 1 over 2. So the fifth, sixth and the seventh term of this given series will be again minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2. Easy, fine, clear? Okay, so the rest of the questions in this particular subdivision, we will do it in the next video. I hope the explanation is clear. If you find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the like button. Meet you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.